Hey there everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove hyperlinks from your entire Word document. Right here I've put some links, a hyperlink, a normal link, and just Google links and whatever in our Word document. And let's say you want to remove one of the hyperlinks or the links at all. So usually to remove a hyperlink you would just right click it on the Word and edit hyperlink, or just simply click remove hyperlink. Right. But what if we have multiple hyperlinks in an Word document? Do we mark them up all? Nope, we cannot remove all of them. So what do we do then? Well, it's pretty easy. First you need to select Ctrl A. As you can see, this will mark up everything in the entire Word document. And now you need to press Ctrl, Shift and F9. That's Ctrl, Shift, F9 at the same time. Ctrl, Shift, F9. And it will remove all of the hyperlinks from your Word document. From all of the marked things, it will remove it. And that's pretty much it. Hope this helped. If it did, leave a like and subscribe. And see you next time.